Is your Upwork profile not getting the attention it deserves? In this video, I'll share 3 actionable strategies to dramatically increase your profile views. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Profile views are a key metric that signals activity and appeal to clients. You can't just wait for them, you need to be proactive. First, and most importantly, send more high-quality proposals. Every time you submit a proposal, the client is very likely to view your profile. Quality proposals lead to profile views. Second, optimize your profile for search, as we discussed earlier. A keyword-rich profile will appear in more client searches, leading to organic profile views from clients browsing. Third, share your profile link everywhere. Add it to your LinkedIn profile, your email signature, your personal website, and even relevant online forums, where allowed. A crucial pro tip: the best time to send a proposal is as soon as a relevant job is posted. Clients are often overwhelmed with applications later. Being among the first not only gets your proposal seen but also your profile viewed when their interest is highest. And just like that, you're actively driving traffic to your professional storefront. Increasing profile views is the first step to converting looks into contracts. What has been the single most effective way you've gotten more profile views? Share your secret weapon in the comments. To improve the profile they see, subscribe for our next video on how to increase your Upwork profile strength. Thanks for watching.